Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. I am currently riding my 1982 GS1100 GK, and I am headed over to the Ephrata Breakfast Ride in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and it is July 3rd, 2022. And man, just couldn't ask for a nicer July morning here. We were supposed to have thunderstorms overnight and yesterday, and thankfully the weather has remained dry, so even in these shady spots we've got nice dry pavement on the way. So we'll go over and check out what interesting bikes there are and just see kind of what the gathering looks like this morning. But it is just a fabulous day to ride. I'm gonna turn off the camera, just enjoy my ride over, and we'll take a look and see what's at the show. And we are here, pulling into the show. This is a really, really cool one if you like old Italian bikes. This is a Ephrata Jada, and it is a 3-cylinder bike. Just gorgeous.
Oh, filler pipe that
Beautiful old Z900 Kawasaki here. Just in neat condition. Looks like it's been lowered. Beautiful.
Oh yeah,
Wow, so that's how that engine works.
Because there's a lot of people don't know.
Very cool Ducati here. Everything's open. Well, on the dark side here, this is a beautiful Harley. Man, that's just gorgeous paint. Beautiful work. What a gorgeous bike. Looks like a 77 or 78 Yamaha RD400.
Sure, once it got
two-stroke.
the crank seals
A cool little bike.
about half the mile.
78, right? 77. I thought it was
77.
right?
Yeah,
Right.
A cool little original Honda Hurricane 600.
CBR, right? 600?
CBR 600.
I actually have body work for that. I used to have one.
Very cool. It's an old Yamaha XS 750 triple. That is cool.
Yes, got the drive shaft on it, I think.
Here's a brother of my GS1100 GK. Somebody else converted theirs similarly to mine. Kawasaki Mach 2 400cc triple. Very, very cool. It's the Honda CBR 1100XX Blackbird. I had two of these bikes back in the day. They're very smooth and very fast. The cool looking little Honda Hawk. Very nice. Check this out. 1983 GS 1100E. That is awesome.
1:30 in the morning. I just got engaged.
And it just looks fantastic. What a beautiful bike.
It's like, holy smokes. Yeah.
Even the black chrome on the pipes still looks great.
Yeah. You don't use bands or pardon me? Bands or guns?
Super cool.
No, actually, I know.
I want one of these.
Why did that?
That's a Kawasaki ZH2 supercharged. It's got the H2 supercharged 4-cylinder motor, 1000cc. And you would never know, this is a sleeper. Just, to me, it does not look like it's as fast as it is, but you're talking almost 200 horsepower to the rear wheel. And this bike is just a really cool monster of a machine. Awesome. Well, we close out the show and the bull session continues. Awesome time. Gonna get on the road here and enjoy some more nice riding.